This video is for those of you starting on a plant-based journey and are looking to find savory breakfast ideas that are healthy, wholesome, delicious, and easy to make. Powered by Leaves. First, we're gonna make a very simple vegan scrambled tofu, scrambled egg style. We need 1 block of tofu, a pinch of black salt or regular salt, some plant milk, and turmeric powder. Into a hot pan, add some oil. Then we're gonna crumble in the tofu using our fingers like this. I'm using a flavored tofu, that's why there are speckles on it. Once we're done crumbling it, it doesn't have to be perfect, we can add our pinch of black salt. Then add a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. Turmeric not only has a wonderful yellow color, but actually contains a very powerful polyphenol called curcumin. This is shown to have a potent anti-inflammatory effect on the body. Curcumin boosts brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which has been associated with improved brain function and lower risk of brain diseases. However, curcumin is poorly absorbed into the bloodstream, but not to worry, there's a simple trick on how you can fix this. Just like we did, if we add black pepper to curcumin, it contains a compound called piperine, and studies show that piperine increases the absorption of curcumin by up to 2000%. This may be because piperine decreases the breakdown of curcumin in the liver. What a fun way to increase absorption by adding flavor. Then we're gonna pour in 50 ml of plant milk. This is what's gonna make it extra creamy or eggy, but you can also use water. Crack in some black pepper to your taste. I just find that freshly cracked pepper is so much better than the powdered one. And cook that on medium heat for 5 to 6 minutes. The consistency is very similar to scrambled eggs, and the taste is also a familiar one. Now you can have it however you used to have eggs. I like to make a wrap with some salad leaves, avocado, and tomatoes with a drizzle of plant-based yogurt to have as a breakfast burrito. Or I like to stuff it in a bun with some arugula leaves as well. There are many ways you can have the scrambled tofu. Personally, I love to have it as a breakfast burrito or in rolls like I showed you, but this is where you can experiment or be inspired by how you used to use scrambled eggs. You just need to replace it with tofu. Next, we're gonna make a breakfast I used to have all the time when I first turned vegan. It's simply foolproof, delicious, and easy to make. It's actually inspired by one of my friends, and I used to watch her make this all the time, and I was so envious. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do it. Slice up half a pack or 100 grams of mushrooms. You want them to be relatively thin so that they lose more moisture quickly. Add some olive oil to a pan and in goes the mushrooms. Season with salt, cracked pepper, and a teaspoon of garlic powder. We're gonna let that sweat. The garlic, pepper, and mushrooms together give the most appetizing, savoring aroma. Once the mushrooms have shrunk down, I'm turning the heat off and adding 2 handfuls of baby spinach. They're gonna wilt in the residual heat. You just want to gradually stir it around. Without active heat, less of the vitamin C in the spinach will be lost. Then onto some bread, I'm adding some sliced avocado, then season with salt, and place the mushroom spinach mixture on top. For some additional tartness, I also like to add some sweet cherry tomatoes on top. Even though it's easy to make, the garlic mushroom avocado combination is simply delicious, especially to those of you who, like me, enjoy a savory and filling breakfast. The third breakfast idea is to make hummus, which you can enjoy with a bagel, toast, or some crackers and veggies. Into a blender, add 1 cup of cooked chickpeas, 2 tablespoons of tahini, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin powder, and the juice of half a lemon. Tahini is packed full of healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. In fact, just 1 tablespoon, that is 15 ml, contains 10% of your daily value of nutrients, such as manganese, phosphorus, and vitamin B6. Then add some water. I'm adding about 50 ml and blend this mixture for 2 to 3 minutes until everything is smooth and creamy. I'm transferring that to a bowl, and there you have it, a healthy and simple homemade hummus with no added oils. The good thing about this is that you can store this hummus in the fridge for up to 3 days, and you can whip it out and have it whenever you like for breakfast or as a snack. Personally, I like to have them with these rye crackers, but they're also really good on bagels as well. I'm also adding some cut veggies to add some freshness and a crunch. The good thing about this recipe is that you can easily switch it up by adding a piece of beetroot, some peppers or chilies to make other flavors. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope this video is useful to you, and if you want to see more, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you very soon. Bye!